Wait, don't blink. Did you see this football moving? What if I tell you can draw this super cool football in just few minutes? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Arts by Vaish. Today we are gonna learn how to draw a football. It's super easy, beginning friendly. So let's start. So first we'll need to draw one circle. You can take any object to draw a circle. After this we need scale. We will partition it into two parts, vertical and horizontal. And now we will draw a pentagon in the center. Pentagon is done. Now from all 5 corners we will draw a small line. Meanwhile, tell me which is your favorite sport. Is it football or cricket or something else? Now we will draw 2 lines in the shape of V on each small line like this for all 5. You are a football lover, right? Please drop a comment if you are a football lover. Type football in the comment. I'm already assuming that those who are watching, most of you are a football lover. So tell me, who is your favorite football player? Oh, let me guess. Is it Messi or Ronaldo? So let's come back to the drawing. It's done. Now we will join these 2 lines like this. Similarly, all the lines. Now the first basic drawing is done. Now I'll use a marker pen to make it look little darker. I'll make the outline. By the way, do you know when Ronaldo launched his YouTube channel, he got his silver button within an hour and golden button within first 90 minutes. It was fastest ever. And he got his diamond button too, that too within 12 hours. Can you imagine that? It was absolutely crazy and record breaking. Okay, here I am drawing a black shade, whole dark black shade in the center. Similarly, I'll make 5 more sections these darker. Did you know the football has pentagons and hexagons? And can you count how many panels we have drawn so far? Okay, tell me one thing, who is drawing along with me right now? Comment I am. I am done with the marker shade. Now I'll use pencil to give some shades. Be honest and tell me how many of you have tried drawing football before. If you have, you can comment your channel name, handle name on in the comment section so that I can also watch. Along with that, don't forget to give ratings to my drawing. From 1 to 10, what's your number? worry about making it perfect. We can fix anything if it goes wrong. And here is our final football drawing. Looks amazing, right? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay connected for more fun and easy drawing tutorials.